What's up, everyone? Here's a 2019 Honda Civic. We installed a compustar one-button remote start system. This is a regular key vehicle. Here's your remote. Simply press and hold for about 3 seconds till you get the blinking light. Activates the remote start. Car starts up, runs for about 15 minutes, and then will shut itself off. If so happens the car is remote started and you're going to leave, perfectly fine. Unlock the doors. You're going to enter the vehicle. Because this is a regular key vehicle, you still need to put the key in the ignition, but only turn it to the on position. 1, 2. Step on the brake. The car takes over and you're ready to drive off while the car is still running. Thank you guys for watching.